Hi everyone, going to discuss important MCQs series of botany. Today my focus will be on cell biology and cell cycle. I am Muhammad Akram, lecturer botany, Government Sadek Egerton College, Bahawalpur. So let's move towards our today's lecture without any delay. Do subscribe my channel for notification of upcoming videos. The functional unit of Golgi apparatus is thalakite, no. Oxysome, no. Cisterni, no. Christi, no. Cisterni, yes. Option D is the right option. Which organelle of cell help to detoxify the harmful drugs? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and ribosome. In some हो Golgi apparatus and SCR, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, detoxify the harmful effect of drugs. The ribosomes are assembled in nucleus, nucleolus. The right option is option B, nucleolus. The ribosomes assemble in nucleolus. Endoplasmic reticulum appear in contact with Golgi body, cisternae, mitochondrial membrane, nucleus. The right one is nucleus. Question number 5 is the conjugation of proteins and lipids with carbohydrates is carried out in SCR, RER, Golgi apparatus. Yes, this is the right option. The conjugation of protein and lipids with carbohydrate is carried out in Golgi apparatus. Next question is cell contain many tiny or granular structures known as ribosomes. First option is right option. Next question is question number 7. The enzymes which are located in glyoxysomes are associated with. The enzymes which are located in glyoxysomes are associated with catabolism. Option D is correct one. Chlorophyll is part of thalakite which can pass through the nuclear envelope, proteins, water molecules, ribosomal units, all of these. The right option is all of these. All of the followings are true about mitochondria. All of following are true about mitochondria. Double membrane organelle. Yes, mitochondria is double membrane organelle. Contains circular DNA. Yes, it contains circular DNA. Both membranes are smooth. No. Variety in number and size. This MCQ is a wrong one because two options are correct one. Next question is the conversion of fatty acid into carbohydrates in glyoxysome is true. Krebs cycle, Calvin cycle, urea cycle, glyoxylate cycle. The right option is glyoxylate cycle. Sap vacuoles are absent in. The true option is option B, prokaryotic cells. Meiosis 1 is reductional division, meiosis 2 is equational division due to the right option is option C, separation of chromatids. The segregation of Mendelian factors occurs during anaphase 1. Option B is correct. Number of chromatids at metaphase is 2, each in mitosis and meiosis. Meiosis 2 performs separation of chromatids. In somatic cells, cell cycle, DNA synthesis takes place in S phase, which is synthesis phase. When parental and maternal chromosome change their material with each other in cell division, this event is called as crossing over. Which typical stage is known for DNA replication? S phase. DNA replication takes place in S phase. Spindle fiber unites with structure of chromosomes in which phase? Spindle fiber unite with which structure of chromosome? Right option is kinetochore. At what stage of cell cycle are histone proteins synthesized in eukaryotic cells? The right option is option B, during synthesis phase. If you are provided with root tips of onion in your class and are asked to count the chromosomes, which of the following stage you can most conventionally look into? Which stage you can count the chromosome? Stage is metaphase. Non-transcribed specialized structure at the terminal end of chromosome is called as telomeres. What are telomeres? Non-transcribed specialized structure at terminal end of chromosomes are called as telomeres. Chromosome consists of, at the beginning of cell division, the right option is option A, 2 sister chromatids. About eukaryotic, all these statements are true. This question is very important. The diagrammatic representation of karyotype of a species is called, very good question, ideogram. The next question is, a functional chromosome has a centromere, yes, telomere, yes, origin of replication, all of these. All statements about functional chromosome are true. Chromosome is thickest during prophase, metaphase. Yes, this option is right. During metaphase, the chromosomes are thickest. A chromosome with very short and very long arm is called as telocentric? No, acrocentric. Yes, acrocentric is right option. If a single chromosome is missing from a diploid individual, then this is called as monosomy. Single chromosome is missing. Mating between diploid plant and tetraploid plant will produce triploid. Chromosome mutations usually occur due to error in anaphase 1. Cry-Jue-Chat